Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to see all safe password on your Google account on PC. So let's see. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to password and autofill, then navigate to Google Password Manager. Click on that. Then it's going to take you to all the password you have on your Google account. Now, for you to check on any of the password, to fill the password and username, what you need to do is to simply select the particular account. Let's, for instance, seoclark.com. I'll simply click on it. It's going to open up just like what you see right here. So right here, I have my username and I have my password. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to see all safe password in your Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.